It is truly the first truly net zero apartment project in Utah. What that means is all of these units are 100% electric. The HVAC, the HVAC, the heating and air, the hot water heat is all electric, and they're extremely high efficient systems. And with the help of Intermountain Wind Solar, we've been able to design a solar panel array that offsets not only all of the unit demand, the power draw from the units, but also the common area and the site. So it is truly the project in and of itself essentially produces more power than we use. It's truly a net zero project. It'll have a vast solar panel array on the roof of these structures, and it'll have solar carport units that'll have vehicle charging stations. So essentially some of the surplus power that we then produce that is not utilized to make the project a true net zero can then be utilized to charge electric vehicles as well.